Hello everybody, welcome back to my Learn Fun channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make a birthday present in Scratch. So why am I choosing to make a birthday present? Well, I'm not sure, I just got the idea. So let's go ahead and get started with this amazing project. By the way, I need to go to that intro. Okay, let's go. Hey guys, let's go ahead and start this amazing project. So first you need to go to the create button. So how are we going to make this present sprite? Well, you can go X out the scratch cut because we don't really need it, or if you want it to be another sprite, you can use it. So now we have to hover over the sprite button and click paint, this paintbrush. And then you'll come to this. Let's name this sprite present. And how are we going to make this present? Well, I know how to draw a bow. The easiest way of how to draw a bow, how I used to draw a bow. So we are going to make this any color we want. So I'm going to change it to red. So we can make this a red present box. We're going to name this present box. Why are we going to name this present box? Because if we name it present, we won't be able to change the color of the present. So now I'm going to draw lines like this that are coming from the top and then the bottom. Now what are we going to do? Well, I think I'm going to save this project first and snap this into the right here, snap it. And now we have our sprite. And now once we have our sprite, now we're going to make another sprite called bow. So this bow can be either the easier way or the trickier way. First, let me show you the easier way because you're new here. So first, I'm going to go to pink because bows are usually pink, and saturation up to 20. Now we're going to make this paintbrush all the way up to 50. Easier way, 50. So now you can easily see it better. Now what we're going to do is we're going to draw an X. Why are we going to draw an X? Next, we're going to draw lines connecting the sides of the X. And you got a little bow. Now, how are we going to color this in? You can either color it in with the paintbrush or you can fill it. Now, this bow is looking strangely big. So how are we going to reduce the size? Well, go to the mouse and then tap the bow and then reduce the size. Now we're going to put this bow here, right here, but snap this into the thing so it can be straight. Now this is the easier bow, but the trickier bow is coming. Okay, now I'm going to show you the trickier bow. So if you want to do, you could either do this bow or the other bow, or you could either do both if you like them both. Now we are going to hover over the costume button again and press paint. Now this time it makes a costume. Don't do to this one, otherwise you'll create another sprite. And if you wanted to make it harder, then you can do that. But if you want it to be easier, you can do this. So now it's time to show you the trickier bow. So go to the hottest pink you can find. Now this is the pink of the bow. And then we're going to go to paint again, but this time we're going to go to light pink again, and then draw a lines coming out of the square. And then we're going to do a curved line on both of them. and then connect them like this. Okay, now we have our bow. Now we're gonna color in the things. And just before that, we're gonna do the saturation to 100 and add the little details. And now we have the trickiest bow. It was not really tricky, but if you can add some more tricky things, I would suggest this. You can go to saturation all the way here and then drag out the circle. But what are we going to do with the circle? We're going to tilt it. We're going to tilt it and put it right here. We're going to change the size because it's like kind of too big. There. Now I'm going to increase this, the length. There. Now I'm just gonna do this to the size and increase the size a bit like that. I think I want to change this a bit. There. This is the hardest part. So we're gonna make it close. Okay. Now I want this to be like a little farther. So we're gonna drag this a little farther too. And so we can make this go a little more down. There, now our bow is secure, but we want this to be a little bit smaller. Okay, I don't want this size, but I would like another size. So let's go ahead and make the smallest size, the thinnest size it can be. Thinnest size it can be. Excuse me, I am not good at words now. Okay, so this is supposed to be here. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly do this and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is very tricky. Okay, I'm back, guys. I think it's supposed to be here. No, it's supposed to be here. Guys, you know what? I think I want it to be the original way because the other way is way trickier. How about I just draw the other way? Like that. I'm not good at drawing circles with the mouse. Okay, I'm just gonna draw it another way. Okay, let's draw it like this. Let's do it this way. You draw it like this, and then like this. It's looking very thin. But that's okay, because we've tried our best. I don't think I want those details. So now we have our bow. This is the trickier and this is the easier. So I'm going to first start with the easier, but for this one, I'm going to snap it in place. Snap. There, now we snapped our bow. Oh no, it looks way too big again. Don't worry, we can shorten the size. Snap. There, we snapped it in place. And now we have our bow on top of this. But we want it to be like a little more up. So I'm just gonna drag this a little more up. There, now that's better. We don't have to snap this one though, because it's big. Okay, now we have our bow on top of this. So how are we gonna keep changing the colors? Well, first, when green flag clicked, we are going to set the color effect to 0. But when the sprite clicked, we're going to repeat this and we're going to just change the color effect by 25. Oh, no. I think I want it by 15. Okay, set it again to 0. 15. There, now it's orange, yellow, green, blue, green, cyan, blue, indigo, purple, violet. There. And it's pink, red, pink. Okay, that's it. Okay, setting it to 0. Now we're going to take this change color effect by 15. 15, not 25, because 25 makes it yellow immediately. We want it to be a rainbow. And actually, when space key press, because when we do the if sprite clicked, we're going to make a surprise. No, it's not box, it's bow. Okay, I think I accidentally pressed X instead of W for the type key. Like, let me show you. So instead of, I typed X instead of Y. I don't know why. I'm just gonna delete it. Okay, clear all drawings. Okay, that was me drawing with Zoom. Okay, now we got our present box. So now what we're gonna do is we are going to drag out a when this sprite clicked. Then we're gonna make this present box open. How are we gonna make it open? Take off the bow. So with this present box, what are we gonna do with it? Well, let me show you. Take a minute to show you. We're gonna take off the bow, and then a surprise will come. We can make it any surprise, like a teddy bear or a balloon or something. I'm just gonna make anything. I'm just gonna put some nice music and make some surprises inside the present box. So when this sprite clicked, then I'm going to broadcast message. So if you don't know what a broadcast message is, go check out my video that's called how to make a broadcast message in Scratch. I think that's what it's called, because I've done it a long time ago. You guys must have already heard. If you're new to my channel, a broadcast message is like something that you message something to another sprite and the other sprite gets it. When the other sprite gets it, it does something. So that is what it is, a broadcast message. Okay, now you get it. Do you get it now? Okay, stop being silly. Just focus on Scratch. Now we are doing when the sprite clicked, broadcast message 1, and then we go to the bow. When green flag clicked, then we're going to switch costume to costume 1. But if space, or I think I want it to be if the sprite clicked, then next costume. Now this is better. We don't want it to be the same thing. Because if it does the same thing, people like, oh no, I don't want it like this. I want it like this. Okay, stop. Now, when we receive the broadcast message, you can make anything you want, like bow or open or glide or something. But I'm just going to use this one to show you. Now, we have this bow on top, but to take it off, we need to go to this position first. Wait 1 second. There. Now we can do when I receive message 1, then we're going to glide. How are we going to glide? Uh-oh. Back. Okay, so I'm just going to remove this for a second. And now I'm going to take it off. Either glide here. Or should I glide here? Okay. Glide here. Glide here. So, I don't know. Okay, maybe we can do some instructions. Okay. Hi there. Okay, I'm just gonna type some instructions real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, real quick, I'm just gonna go back to your position. Go back there. You go back to your position. Yeah, go back to your position. I'm gonna do the instructions real quick. I want to also get something from my backpack. There. Now this is just a little mouse thing. Do we. Okay, now let's do it. So if you don't know how to do it, just do this code real quick. You can pause the video and do it. And all you have to do is just draw a few colorful stars or do that. So, yeah. Can you pause the video and do it? Okay, if you haven't, you can go back to where I wasn't talking and then pause the video and do it. So I'll give you a little more time, slightly more time if you haven't done it already. Did you do it now? Okay, so let's continue with this amazing project. So we have done this. We need to do the sprite. So I'm just gonna make this call the sprite. What am I gonna call it? Instructions. Yes. And while I'm typing the instructions in this thing, I'm just gonna put some nice music. I'm gonna put it I'm just gonna put it that right. Yeah, that right. Is it the Xenogenesis? I don't know why is it called that. Okay, I'm just gonna put this music real quick and I'll be right back. Let's just go forever loop and do. Okay, there. Now we're gonna play this and let's get started. So this is the instructions. That was some nice exogenesis. Oh, I love that song. It is so cute and cool. Okay. Now we have done this. We made the instructions, but not. We made a mistake here. So I'm just gonna go here. Space. It's space. So change that as S. You don't have to put the instructions, or you can just copy mine, remix it if you don't know how to make this project. Or if you fast forwarded, you didn't see it, you can go back. You can always pause. If I go way too fast, you can always go pause the video and do it again. So you don't have to add this instructions. These instructions are optional. So it's up to you if you want to add the instructions or not. So yeah. Now I'm going to type press the bow to change. Okay, I'm just gonna change its change it. And now we're gonna duplicate this. Just double click and press duplicate. Now we have this, and I'm going to and I'm gonna make another project today since Memorial Day is coming up. I'm going to, and since this weekend is a 3-day weekend, yay! I'm going to be making a Memorial Day special project today, or it might be tomorrow. We have to see. I think it's gonna be today. Yeah, today. Okay, guys. So it's 9:30. If you're in a different place and if you're watching this, that's okay, because we're here. We're always in Scratch. Scratch, 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 scratch. Okay. Now, costume 7. I'm going to type press the present box to open it. Present box. Okay, I think. And now I'm going to okay, this present box is going to be over here, and then this goes over here. I'm going to make this text. Actually, I want to make this, instead of instructions, I want it to be, dictionary. Okay, stop. No more dictionary. No more stuff. Now I'm going to type text. Okay, how am I making it the thumbnail? Oh. Okay, now I'm chilling in here. Okay, stop being silly. So I'm going to go to the hi guys first. Okay, I'm gonna make this go to the position it was before. I'm just gonna reload this. Reload. Okay, I'm reloading it. There. Uh-oh. There. Oh no. There. Now that should be good. Wondering inside. Let's find out. A little bit to the right. There. Now everything should be good. Okay, hi guys. Switch to hi guys. Now I'm just gonna save this project. And then when green flag clicked, I'm going to go to this position and then set color back to 0. And then I'm going to, when I receive this message, then I'm gonna move over here. I received message wrong. I'm gonna go over here and the bow is gonna go over here. Glide 1 seconds. Oh, no. We need to go here. There. Cracked. Okay guys, so when I move my mouse, you can see that little star. It's going to mouse point. Like, is that a code right? It's not. See, it's like go to mouse pointer. Okay. Now I'm going to make another sprite. Make another sprite. Okay. Name this open present. Okay, now this sprite is gonna be all the presents you can have. So a heart. A heart. Can be pink. No, I want it to be red. No, okay. No. To be pink. Yes, pink. Oh no. I don't want it to be 10. I want it to be 30. I want 30 straight. There, now we have our little heart. If you don't know how to make a heart, just make a heart. I'm gonna make it right here. Star. I have two computers and they are set. One of them is touch screen, so I get confused. Okay, if this one's the touch screen or not. Okay, now we have this little dot. Drawing my best star. My stars are not that good, so I always draw hearts. And my profile is a heart. So yes, that used to be a star. Oh, whoa. This is too big. This is too big. Yeah, there we go. Okay, let's try this project. Nope. Okay, guys, can you hear me? I'm just gonna reduce the volume a little bit. So yeah, now you can hear me, can't you? Okay, so tell me if you hear me. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay, now let's just get started. So look, arrow, then we're gonna do the thing. Repeat 4. If you're new to my channel, this is something that is like a little animation. Just have to do this. If it's too fast, you can just pause the video and do this animation step. Just look at the steps I'm doing. And I have seen this in my other videos, and that's why I'm doing it fast. Okay, starting again. Okay, there. Now let's try this. I want a 0.1. Okay, now let's try. And there. Now we have our things, but we still need to name this presents. Next up is yeah, I just want it to be hard to start. Actually, I want to duplicate this and make it up. There. Now, when green flag clicked, we're gonna make this hide. When the broadcast message happens, then we're gonna show. Oh, Oh, and add one more thing. And one more. The surprise. One. There. Oh yeah, the smiley face should go at the end. There, now you can see the smile. Right there. What is happening to my throat? It's almost summer and it's early summer, so my throat is becoming so dry. I need water right now. But since I'm making a video, I can't drink water in the middle of this. Okay, I'm just gonna drink some water. Take a water break. Take a water break, everybody, because it's summer. Okay, guys, did you pause the video and take a water break? If you haven't, take a water break right now. Did you pause the video and take a water break? Okay, let me give you some more time if you haven't. Did you pause the video? Take a break. Project. Or take a water break. Just do anything more. Just have your own fun. Have some nice break for you. To drink some water, go to the bathroom, or something else that you need to do. Take a nap, anything. It's your choice. By the way, if you're watching this on Memorial Day, this is so much fun. It's Memorial Day. Happy Memorial Day if you're watching this on Memorial Day. Okay, which is tomorrow. Well, you can check the date right now. It's Sunday when I made this video. And Memorial Day is tomorrow. Also, yeah, you know that, don't you? Don't you know that? Don't you know that? Okay, now we made these projects. Hide. And then we're gonna switch costume to pick random. Go to operators, drag out this block that's called pick random. Over that's called pick random. 1, 2, 3, because they're threes. Not 1, 2, 3, like the numbers, just 1 and 3. And then drag it, put it in the circle that's costume 2, or whatever you get. And then put it right there. Or hide and do that. Now I'm going to, yes. So now I'm just gonna, okay guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this amazing open the present box video. And now we're just gonna name it and share it. Okay, there, now share it. Okay guys, that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed this amazing Orange Tech video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of these amazing Orange Tech videos. And don't forget to hit the notification bell if you want to see more videos like this And don't forget to tell me in the comments down below what kind of video you want, learn Scratch video, or project you want me to make next, because I never had any project ideas in a long time. And I just have to think of it all myself. So I hope you have an idea for me. And yeah, I hope you get to see the new video that's coming up soon. Okay, guys, bye. And once again, if it's a Memorial Day for you, happy Memorial Day! Oh my gosh, it's a 3-day weekend, yay. Okay, bye.